Today, I'm going to share with you a secret hack to get Claude to become an absolute lead generation machine. We're going to be able to give our Claude agents superpowers when it comes to lead generation. I'm going to be able to ask Claude for qualified leads in any type of industry, in any type of location that I'm looking for. It's going to be able to source all of that data from a bunch of different providers. It's going to be able to come back and not only provide us with those leads, but all of the verified and enriched emails alongside that as well. So if you are currently struggling to find leads for a particular industry, or you want to increase the amount of leads that you want to reach in an industry, this is no doubt about it one of the best methods that I've discovered so far, especially with Claude Code. Just a quick note, because I got early access to this feature, it was actually initially referred to as Terracotta. So throughout the video, you might hear me call this plugin Terracotta, but just be aware that this feature is now called Clay Workflows and not called Terracotta. Okay, so before we dive into Claude Code, the one thing that I do want to mention is that in order to power the system, we are going to be using Clay.com's specific plugin into Claude Code. Using a tool like Clay is going to give us access to a bunch of proprietary datasets of information that Clay and some of their third-party providers has already collected. And this is the really key reason that we're going to be using Clay here. I can go ahead and tell Claude Code to find a lead list or scrape some leads off of Google, but these leads are the most public leads that everybody has access to. The majority of leads that are out there and the best quality leads are not going to be the ones that are just publicly accessed through simple Google searches. There's a lot of methods that these companies use, especially these data companies that have all of these massive lead lists. And so by using a tool like Clay, especially with its native Claude plugin, we're not only going to be able to access these hundreds of proprietary datasets of information that isn't publicly on the internet, but we're going to be able to very easily plug this into Claude Code so I can very easily tell it to source me a very specific type of lead and get that back easily. So that is the reason that we're going to be using Clay and Claude Code to build this. I will have my link to sign up for Clay at the top of the description and pinned in the comments. If you do use my link, you are going to get access to a couple thousand free credits just to test this out. Now, jumping over to Claude Code, this right here is my AI operating system. If you're not quite sure what that means, I've got a couple of videos around it. Ultimately, it's one folder on my computer that's got access to all of my business information, all information about myself, so I can give it really any question that I want. It's going to be able to answer it very easily. And so the app you're looking at right now is Visual Studio Code, and Claude Code is added inside of that. That being said, you can also do this exactly the same way if you are going to be using the Claude desktop app as well. Now, to get set up with this Clay plugin, I will provide some instructions on how to get the plugin installed just below the description as well. Just make sure to follow those setup instructions for getting the plugin installed. Mine is already installed. I won't run through the setup instructions right now, just in case they change in the future, and I don't want to bore you with something that they do have instructions for. Anyways, once you've gone through that instruction set, you've got the plugin set up and installed through your Claude Code. If we go ahead and do /MCP, it kind of acts as a way very similar to an MCP server. We can see at the bottom here in the dynamic section, we can see our plugin, and it's called Terracotta. So Terracotta is the specific feature by Clay that really enables Claude to be able to access the power of Clay natively all through Claude Code itself. So instead of having to go through the user interface of Clay and provide some filters and really go through and set up a whole interface of the leads you're looking for, we can very easily just ask Claude Code to find us the leads that we're looking for, get their emails, and provide that to us. So for example, this right here is clay.com. If you've used it before, you'll be very familiar with it. But previously, we'd have to come to the Clay desktop app right here and provide it with a bunch of details as to the leads that we're looking for, using their find leads section to understand if we want people or companies and jobs. And we'd have to go through the whole process here of then looking up that data, getting the table of data, and then also configuring which fields we're looking for in terms of emails and whatever. But now with the Clay Terracotta plugin already installed into Claude Code, I am very simply going to ask it for a very specific list of leads, and I'm just going to see what happens. So I've just said, please find furniture supplier contact information in Melbourne, Australia. I just need their name, their position, and email address. These must be the directors or decision makers for these companies. I could definitely provide it with some more filters as to the size of these companies and generated revenue to be more qualified. But just to prove the point, I'm going to send this through and let's see what happens. All right, so these are the leads that we just got back from that Claude search. I didn't have to do anything else. And this is about 30 different leads with individual verified emails of directors and decision makers for these companies. Obviously, this isn't a massive lead list. I didn't tell it to go ahead and find hundreds of leads. That is something that you can get it to do just to really keep pushing and finding and searching. But immediately from this, we've got these emails. I can now tell Claude to write up some personalized emails with the information that we have. We could also ask it to get more info about these individuals, if there's any news about them, anything that we could personalize the emails with to get a bit of a higher conversion rate. That is something that is incredibly easy to do as well. As for the email sending, we wouldn't do that through Clay. We might do that through something like Resend, or we could do it just through Gmail if we aren't going to be sending too many emails, or we have like a spare Gmail account that's been warmed up before. But it is definitely possible to do literally everything from finding these leads to reaching out to them all through one Claude conversation. And just to show you what actually happened behind the scenes, if I start to scroll up, you're going to see a lot of the requests that went through to the Clay plugin. And you can see right here, there is a bunch of requests that went through to search up individuals, to search up companies, to get information, just through a bunch of different providers. A lot of it comes from LinkedIn, and then it goes and gets enriched through other platforms, like I mentioned earlier with their proprietary data. The only way that they are able to get these verified emails or get emails in the first place is because of those data sets. And that is essentially what is happening right here, what all of these searches are. Over and over again, it is finding, it's enriching these company contacts. Now, let's say we did want to get some personalized emails out to everybody on this list. What I might do is ask Claude if we can get another column here in this table for maybe the latest news or anything new related to any of these individuals that we might be able to use. Hey Claude, are you able to create a new column in this table related to news or articles or posts made by any of these individuals recently that we might be able to use to help personalize any emails in the future? So very simply, I'm going to send that off through plain English. It should go ahead and start the process of finding that data. All right, and here we go. We can see that we have now got a hook to open with all this information that has come back with this list of leads right here. Not everybody came back with some up-to-date information about them, of course. Not always going to have everything for everyone. But what I can see is when I asked that question to get this information, you can see here that it said that Clay has a find thought leadership data point that is built exactly for this. And obviously that's done through the plugin once again to be able to get this information. And then you can see here it has gone through and then obviously ran a bunch of its tool calls in order to be able to extract as much information from all of those individuals as possible. The find thought leadership data point that they've categorized it as is exactly what it was searching for right here. And we can just scroll through the ton of tool recalls that it did in order to get this. And we can scroll down to the bottom here and see exactly what it found out. And so we could use this to now craft some super personalized emails off to these individuals to talk about some of this information to hopefully get a better conversion rate on our outreach to get a reply. I hope this video has been helpful in getting Claude to find you some leads. This is now a system in which you can tell it to go find you 1,000, 2,000 leads. Let this thing run overnight and wake up to a massive lead list of leads that you can start reaching out to. If you're not already doing email outreach to get more clients with a setup like Claude Code, there's really no reason not to do this. Since it can handle pretty much 99% of everything that's going on here, we can just tell it everything that we need and it's going to run autonomously for us and just run in the background and generate leads on autopilot. Now, if you want to learn how to build a completely custom CRM system, potentially to manage your email outreach as well, I highly recommend checking out this video right here where I walk through exactly how to do that all through Claude Code. I'll keep pointing at the video because I highly recommend it and I'll see you in that video.